It's carpet cleaning training again. Hey, with Jetty back with you with another video. Guys, it's Friday. You see what we've been doing? We've been doing restaurants, apartments, houses. And guys, all the new subscribers, I want to thank you, man. It means a lot. You see the channel is not no hype channel. It's pretty much, work channel. And, we educate people on, how to do the carpet thing. Guys, I appreciate the love. Keep rocking with me. Y'all have a good weekend and stay safe on the road, all right? We out. Peace.
Guys, I'm dealing with an issue. See what happened just now? All that water that just came out. Anytime you see that happening, your wand is getting worked to death. The O-ring is going out, man. The O-ring is going out in the little trigger kit. I'm gonna have to get a new one. The thing is, we just changed it, man. And I'm using this portable. The portable, it should have good, it has good pressure, but what's going on, the first 5 minutes, it'll be leaking, and then after a while, it'll just stop. So I need to get this fixed, but just in case people don't know why sometimes you have leaks coming from the trigger, your O-ring, there's some small little O-rings, and those are going bad, so you need to change those. What y'all doing? Are you sitting on the job? Or are you working? Get up off your ass. We carpet cleaners, we don't really have a lunch. Okay, we take lunch whenever. All right. But what I wanted to do is show you this house that I'm about to do, man. It's Friday. And it's a nice little house over here in Sanford. All right, I'm gonna take you outside first. Actually, I just restretched this room because we pulled it back. Right now, it smells like straight wet dog up in here. Now, normally, when you have the regular dog smell, you could put the pet treatment on it and it'll bring it up. But when it's a wet dog smell, it's iffy. To where I could literally do it, and the next thing you know, I'm gonna have to come back and do it a second time. I'm just gonna soak this really, really strong. Because what's going on these days with a lot of rentals. Sometimes, the dogs can roam the house. And then you have some residents who give the dog its own room. Some people got it like that, So these are not too big. These rooms here like 10 by 13, Got the board ready. Make sure you got this off. So when you turn it on, the pressure is not so much to where you can't put it on your wand. So always make sure your wand is off. Oh, guys, I did find an old trigger, an old turn valve with a deep ass screw. And this thing here, man, I've been treating it like a like a backyard dog. All right, this is the other room right here. You see the van out there. So we're about to knock this out. Heavy pet treatment. Basically, I think this carpet, it came up to like 500 and something square feet. So I'm gonna show you outside. This is how it looks outside. Here you got fresh mulch. I'm over here in Sanford. Nice big tree. But yeah, man, you gotta appreciate the houses. I like houses. At one time, I thought I was gonna be an architect. I did become a drafter. I did that for like 7 years. And then around like 2008, everybody know 2008, everything went down. And I was getting jobs through like temp agency. And then I had to switch it up. I think they say this, if you squeeze this, yeah, you could use this for shampoo. This is like a shampoo. if you guys don't know. It's like a natural shampoo. See, look, you squeeze it. See the water came out. I don't remember the name of that, but I'm big into plants. I know about plants. I just don't know the name of that one. I do know if you squeezed it, you would have natural shampoo. So this is the backyard. Pretty nice, you know? The rooms are not too big inside, but for a starter house, it's perfect, man. You can have your dog in the back here, do some little barbecues. I appreciate the older houses because they usually have bigger backyards and they're not so close to each other. Well, this one is kind of, but believe me, they have other ones that are like too close. You know? So yeah, man. Let me know, guys. Look, I know people who rent houses and I know people who rent apartments. So, in case y'all trying to find something in the Central Florida area, let me know, man. You know? I know we got big apartments, big rooms. I know we got small rooms. You know what I mean? That's how I chose my apartment where I live, because when I did the carpets there, I was like, oh my God, this apartment, oh my God, is that a freaking snake? That is a freaking snake. He's just chilling. He's just motherfucking chilling. He right there. You see, man? He just chilling. He acting like I don't see him, but I see you, bro. I see you. I'm gonna let you, you know what I'm saying, do your thing. I'm gonna let you do your thing. You know? Boy, big boy. Yep. So anyway, you respect nature, and nature will respect you. So we out. Didn't expect to see that, but hey, when you're out in the field, you see all kind of stuff, man. I might have to tell you guys the time I seen a donkey help a goat get out of a fence. True story, man. I'm not making it up. Yeah, I literally seen a donkey help a goat get his horn out of a fence. But to be honest, he didn't get it all the way. He tried. What the donkey did, well, you know what? Next video. Peace. We out.